Hello you lovely people, welcome from London Educators. This is Ilias, your accounting expert tutor. Well, this video is about what you're going to do in this lockdown. It's lockdown from today until 2nd of December in the United Kingdom, isn't it? Yeah, 4 weeks of lockdown. What you gonna do? Are you going to waste your time? Or if you think, what did you do in last lockdown? It came into effect since almost February, then March, April, May, so many months. Well, this is another unique opportunity to learn something. Hey, here is your tool accounting lecture on YouTube, also on Facebook. Plenty of videos are there. Look at this, so many videos are there. You can learn new skills. If you are a professional student, AAT, ACCA, CIMA, ICAW, CPA, CGA, channel is for you. Just explore all the videos. Or if you have just started doing accounting, bookkeeping, new business, you want to know regarding accounting, this channel is still for you. Yep, plenty of videos are there, all relevant. IGCSE students are scoring fantastic. The playlist are there: IGCSE O level, AT level 2, 3, 4, accounting for beginners. What are you waiting for then? Yeah, and all the relevant videos you need are already there. More videos are kept coming, so do not waste time at all, because especially the AAT exam centers are open. You still can do the exams, but I know your colleges are off. We are doing online education. This platform is absolutely free. Accounting a lecture. My good wishes are always with you. The people are doing fantastic good results by watching these videos. I'm really glad that you people are doing wow, fantastic. Look at this young guy. He got A star in IGCSE and A levels in just 3 months, and different students are getting fantastic results, 90% in accounting, just watching these videos. So thus you can do it. So do not waste this time. 4 weeks. If you would like to have some quick live classes, we can arrange it, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, so I hope you're going to utilize this pandemic time very well. Stay safe, stay at home, keep learning. Do not put yourself into risk, because this is an uncertain time we are in. Winter has already been knocking at the door, and this COVID is rising. Stay safe, keep watching our videos. Goodbye from Accounting Lecture.